Community gardens can mitigate some of the problems that plague urban areas. They can be a beneficial addition by increasing availability of nutritious foods, strengthen community ties and reduce environmental hazards. That's according to Greenleaf Communities. York Cares, a volunteering organisation in the city, has been doing their bit to revamp a local community garden.
So York Cares is an employee volunteering charity in the city, and every year we organise an annual big community challenge where we bring together around 200 employee volunteers from across the city to make a transformational change. So this year we're in Clarence Gardens working with The Hut, which is an organisation who supports people with mental health difficulties, and we're transforming the outdoor area outside The Hut and the wider park in Clarence Gardens.
Clarence Gardens is an area that's a focal point for the community, a real hub for the area. Unfortunately, over recent times it's maybe been neglected slightly, so the aim really over the last 3 days is to improve the area and make it a bit more inviting for the local community. And basically anyone, we're across the road from the hospital, so anyone can come across here and use this. It's a beautiful park, it just needs people to come and use it. So hopefully the improvements we made this week will entice people in.
Clarence Gardens has been given a complete turnaround over 3 days. That's with the help of around 300 volunteers.
So over the 3 days we'll have had 20 employers across the city involved, but today we've got Johnson's of Wixley, Joseph Rowntree Foundation, Hiscox, Nestle, Partners Group, Waitrose, Vanguard, and they've brought some clients from Blueberry Academy who they work with. And have I missed anybody from today?
No, I think there's been about 300 people.
Over the 3 days. We couldn't do it without the support of other organisations and other businesses. Such a good feel-good factor that loads of people have got involved, and we've had some really positive feedback from people walking through the park, so people who either local residents, dog walkers, people who are kind of visiting the hospital, about kind of the difference that they feel it's made to them, which is really nice to hear.
But what will the garden makeover do for the local community?
It's really to revitalise an area of the city that's maybe been neglected in recent years and isn't as stunning as it could be, and really many hands makes light work of something. So I've had hundreds of people down this week and really making a difference to revitalising an area of the city. There's going to be a new outdoor area for the hut, and there's going to be some benches. We're here today painting the benches and giving them a new lease of life. There's some new planting, lovely outdoor area for members of the hut to come down and really enjoy being together in a lovely environment.
York Cares are hoping to give locals a space where they are able to escape the urban chaos and take a moment to soak up the rural areas York has to offer.
It's so important. I mean, there's lots of studies that say that how important it is for health and well-being to have somewhere that's green and close to nature, where people can actually relax and enjoy themselves and come together as a community.
With community gardens allowing social ties to form and bring about positive mental and health effects, volunteers involved in the revamp are hoping to bring about a stronger community. Caroline Davies, That's TV.